Tracy, you fish on? Oh! Oh, I got a nice one, guys. Oh, he's a floppy sucker.
Yeah.
Because I can see clear 11, 13 miles out. Oh yeah, yeah. Because I can see clear 11, 13 miles out. Because I can see clear 11, 13 miles out. Oh yeah, yeah. Because I can see clear 11, 13 miles out.
Bird on, bird on. Got a tangle in his feet. Was he flying by? Saltwater chicken. Saltwater chicken alert. Dadgummit. He didn't even attack it. Oh, it came off. Excellent. Good job, Rufus. He didn't even get hooked. He just flew by it and got tangled on his feet. Crazy birds. Wow, trout in this fresh water. I thought I got a smack. Oh, I just got bumped again. But they're stacked up. What's up, boy?
Hey, Dad, where you at right now?
Bayou Marcus.
That's what I thought. I saw your truck.
What are you doing?
Well, I'm coming back from work.
Oh, you took the shortcut?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's where we're at. We're at the stumps.
Oh, cool, cool. All right, I was just wondering because I saw your truck while I was driving by. Yeah.
Whoa.
Whoa, you got something?
No, I'm
Whoa.
about to drift into a pylon.
Snap. All right, cool. I was just wondering.
Oh, yep, it was me. All right, buddy. See you then.
Peace.
Yeah, put your lure down way on the bottom. No.
I don't know. I'll have to go find it.
Oh. Was that y'all? Man, that was awesome. Fish on.
It's it's a little guy, but it's a redfish. All right, hold him up. Nice. Good job.
Little red.
Red?
Uh-huh. I got a good feeling.
Hey, you got a redfish.
You did? Any size to him?
I don't know.
Little runt? I just got one too. How's it going? Just a Only thing we've caught is
Pouring out the bayou.
small ones. I know, all it's all fresh. Can't believe we caught 2 reds and like 3 specks and all this fresh water.
Lunchbox back there. That's food and water.
Finally think I've overdone it.
Oh. You don't say.
Yeah. Finally think I did it. What I've been catching. And he's gone. Yeah, he was keeper. I just lost a keeper trout.
Oh, that was a trout?
Yeah. Y'all ain't been catching trout?
No, we're just catching red.
Oh. I've been catching a little bit of both, but they've been small.
Butterfly.
Yeah, there you go.
Hit her right at the boat.
Come on. What you got, man? About 15? 14?
About 14, 15 inches there.
That'll work.
I guess it's 14 or so.
Yeah, he's good stuff. I can't believe they're this far up already.
Good. Stupid.
Now we're talking Shay. What's he go?
Well, if I can get him to lay down.
He's over 15. He's like 16.
Yeah.
Fish on. Another trout. Down low. All right, I'm catching them back here, folks. It's November and the trout have moved up the bayous. Nathan jerkbait. Yeah, that's a nice one too. Oh, it's a big one, guys. Ooh, I wish I had your net. This is a big one. Oh, I got a nice one, guys. It's a good fish, honey.
Okay, but don't be foolish. Just hang on. Don't pull his face out of the water.
I don't know how well he's hung. It's a big fish.
Ready? Ready?
No? Yeah.
Come up.
There he goes.
Hi.
There's nothing I can do about it. Just lost him right at the boat. I was waiting for Teresa, but I caught him on a jerkbait.
Awesome.
That was a big fish. What do y'all think it went? Comment below if you know.
That was a good one.
That's 2 we had strikes right here. And we both just hung one. This little corner is an awesome spot.
Cranking it across there.
Yep. He looked like he had some weight to him. I'm just gonna ride the current right out of here. Throw my bait. Throw my bait into the sunset. Fish on. I don't know. Man, trout love this thing. Stuck him in the head. That's one good thing about them boots, boy. No get slime game right here. He's still kind of small, but bigger than what we've been getting. 14. Well, that's it for us. Sun's about to set. It's getting cold. Had a great time with Shay and Doodles. First hip campers. You enjoy this evening?
Oh yeah, definitely did.
You got enough rods with you or no?
No, not enough.
You got 4 sticking out. What'd you do? Take her rods?
Yeah, I took one of them.
All right, man. Well, we had a good time back there in that corner.
You did. You lost a good one.
Nice fish, man. Nice fish. Teresa and I had so much fun in that spot, we decided to come back a couple days later in the 17T. Teresa, you fish on? Oh, that was a pickerel.
Oh,
That was a pickerel, huh?
I guess so. I don't know. I didn't see him. He was dark.
I thought it was a bass at first, but I think it was a chain pickerel. Oh, that's a pickerel? Pickerel.
Nice.
Wow.
All right.
Chain pickerel, our first one.
That was after my bait. Nice.
Man, that's cool. I want you out of here, but
That'd be a first species for me.
let me get this.
Wow.
Good job, honey.
Poopy critter.
Yeah, it's like a muskie or pike. That's basically a southern pike.
Jeez.
First time any other. I caught one in Caddo Lake when I was a kid, and that's the only one I've ever seen.
Oh, what happened here?
It's in this gill. You can just pull it out.
Okay. Trying not to hurt you, man. I'm trying.
You can just hold his body. Or no.
Oh, he's got a lot of teeth.
Mm-hmm. How'd that happen? What you got there?
Got me a pickerel.
A southern chain pickerel. I think that other one was a pickerel, honey.
It looks like it now.
Yeah, because he was long and skinny.
Yeah. You want to get some pictures?
Heck yeah. That's like that's the first one we've ever caught in Florida. It's only the second one I've seen in my life. Oh, he's a floppy sucker.
He is. All over.
Get him under control, please.
Give me his mouth. There we go. You got a very thin mouth. Rinse him off.
I'll have to switch to soft plastics now. You gonna let him go?
Mm-hmm. He's a beauty.
They're pretty.
He looks like a little alligator.
Uh-huh.
See his face? There he goes.
You go.
Later, Tater.
Good job, honey.
Thank you.
Got your first chain pickerel.
Cool.
Well, Teresa, so far you've hung 2 pickerel, and I've hung you twice. And we're going to head downstream here in a second and see if we can pick some up on the way out.
Very pretty.
Looks squatchy to me. I've been on Squatch Watch since we got back here.
Oh.
What we got going here, man? What we got going? Holy mackerel, what a disaster. So Teresa, in Teresa fashion, hung something else big. I looked at my camera. I thought it was rolling in film mode, but it wasn't. It was taking pictures. Teresa, tell him what happened.
I hung another fish, and I had no idea what it was. And to my surprise, it was another one of them chain pickerels. First for me. This day I caught 2. No, this day I caught 3. First time in my life I ever seen one of those.
What lure were you throwing, and how?
I was just tossing that 3-inch white paddle tail up against the bank and just pulling it out, and they would annihilate it. As soon as like it get 2 feet off the bank, they would hit it, and then they would make a connection.
I hear southern chain pickerel are great eating, but you decided to let them go, huh?
Yeah, they were a first for me. I didn't even measure them. I was so excited I just threw them all back.
Well, let me get up front and see if I can catch one like you're doing here.
Okay, let's do a Chinese fire drill. Swap seats. Ready? Switch!
Give me my fox. Alright, not too shabby. Big boat, man, big boat. I've never been in the front of this now. I've always been in the back. This is awesome up here. So much room for activities. This is a much different position up here, folks. I'm always doing the guiding. I never get guided, so this is awesome. You can throw any direction. I don't even know what this feels like. This is amazing. You too can come stand with me here in the front of the 17T, and I will troll you around and let you have all the prime spots. Like I do for the Queen of Sheba back there. But she did me a solid.
I did. Catch some fish now.
I came over you today.
I want you to catch a couple fish.
What did she catch them on? She caught them on this right here. This is a Nathan's Benchtop Baits paddle tail with a little bit of shrimp procure on there. And then pickerel. Love it. So this is literally my 5th tree and about my 3rd stump. Apparently I'm squirrel fishing and log fishing. We came back in this bayou for monster specks. We've hung some big ones in here and hung some reds in here. And today it's brackish, so today it's a little more on the fresh side, and it's all about the pickerel and probably some bass. What are you doing back there?
Eating lunch.
Did you bring anything for me?
There's yours.
A half a sandwich? We doing a lunch break? In the swamp? A swamp break?
Get you a little something to eat.
I'm gonna pull up on my island and get out and go eat.
No, we're not doing that.
I'm gonna get up on my island.
No.
You wanna see my island? How big it is? That's my island I'm gonna get out and eat on. I got shade tree. I got a hammock tree. Thank you, lovely.
Want chips?
I see you done raided my old stash of sodas.
Yep.
Alright, I guess we're taking a lunch break back in the swamps. And we're gonna continue this chain pickerel assassination. Hopefully I'm gonna get one before we get out of here. Stay tuned!
Come on now, catch a fish. You enjoying it up there?
I am, man. This is my rocking position. Look out. I'll fall in the water
You
position.
have to go for a swim.
This oxhorn's a little slickery.
Oh man.
I don't know what this feels like, sitting up front of the boat being guided around by the princess. This is crazy. I like this boat now too.
That is log number 6.
I'm Mike, Ike, and Ellie in it, and you gotta fish tight to the structure, man.
Stay out of the trees, Ty.
If you ain't fishing for the squirrels, you ain't fishing tight enough to the structure.
Engage reverse. There we go. All right, now I'll pull Stumpy there out of the stump.
There's a lot of structure in this bayou.
I ain't caught a single log today.
You hadn't?
No.
You're not throwing close enough to the trees. That's why you ain't catching nothing.
I've been too busy catching fish.
Teresa caught a couple nice fish today anyway. I'm just here for the ride. It's a fight.
I'm Bert, you're Ernie.
Yep, she's Bert today. She's Michael Jackson, I'm Tito today. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button. I've learned that that's kind of an important thing.
The bell.
The bell?
Ring the bell.
Well, here's the sound effect. Ring the bell. So you get notifications. Hey, we got a new website. Yeah, Teresa just built a new website. It's pretty awesome. It's real simple. Just scroll down to the pricing and the type of trip, the trip types and stuff. It's got a contact button, and hit there and send us an email.
Come on, man.
Oh, I still got you?
Yes.
Isn't that something?
Because I can see clear 11, 30 miles out. Oh yeah, yeah. Because I can see clear 11, 30 miles out. Because I can see clear 11, 30.